Hi guys, let's look at this statement by Jack Ma. Most MBA graduates are useless. Uncle ji to bol ke nikal gaye. Now all the programs, part-time MBA programs are now using this pick. Don't go for a full-time MBA, go for a part-time MBA. CFA classes, this classes, everybody is using those picks because CFA's biggest competition, CA's biggest competition is now MBA. So they are using this pick to impress everyone. Okay, so before we go into that, let's talk about the Jack Ma. He's one of the most admired persons, especially for me, because he been a self-made man. I went for a job with police. They said you are no good. She was rejected, got rejected many times. When KFC came to China, look at the statement. When KFC came to China, 24 people went for the job. 23 got accepted. I was the only guy who was not accepted. So coming from that background and becoming one of the most richest person in the world is obviously a biggest achievement. Let's look at one more thing. I applied for Harvard 10 times but got rejected 10 times. Now, the guy who got rejected 10 times, वो तो MBA को बेकार ही कहेगा ना. This is exactly what is happening in India. Quora and other places are filled with negativity about MBA. MBA बेकार है, MBA this, MBA that. Why? Because खुद का तो हुआ नहीं, तो MBA बेकार है. Okay. Anyway, coming to the point, this statement is blown out of proportion. What exactly he said is this: most MBA graduates are useless. Jackson, why he don't hire the best candidate for the job? What he is doing, he is not hiring the best candidate for the job. He is hiring the people who are more talented, who are. Look at this. Chinese billionaire Jack Ma realized the policy not hiring the best candidate for the job during the Alibaba's early years. अभी वो हायर कर रहा है MBA, ये स्टार्टिंग में उसने कहा था. और मीडिया वो स्टेटमेंट को लेके हर जगह उसकी उसी चीज़ को लेके दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट. ओके, अकॉर्डिंग टू द बुक द Alibaba, Jack hires applicants who were a notch or two below the B school's best graduates. Yeah, two reasons here. Number one, the top of the cream of the MBA college will not come to Alibaba when the Alibaba earlier days because we're startup. So of course we're not well known. People will prefer going to McKinsey and ICICI Bank, for example, if we talk about India, yeah, rather than going to a new brand. That could be the main reason. Plus he realized because and वो भी होता ना कि मैं मेरा खुद MBA में convert नहीं हुआ तो मैं बिना MBA को use किए मैं अपनी company खड़ी करूँगा. So he might have taken this on the ego as well. Yeah, same thing I can say. In my first 5 years of MBA, 5 years of my job, we had no MBAs in CK, in my company. Not because I doubt their talent, it's because I can't afford them. All right, who want to experiment? This is exactly what he said. So this is a typical example of things taken out of proportion or things taken out of context. For example, I said MBA is useless if you do it from a bad college, if you do from an average college. And someone just took out the first line, MBA is useless. Exactly this happening in this case. So I understand MBA is bekar, ye hai, wo hai. You Google it out, just Google MBA is useless. You'll find articles where they've given 20 reasons why MBA is bekar. I'll give my example. And what should I do? I did my engineering from NIT Nagpur, one of the top 20 engineering colleges. Could not get a job on campus. Could not get a very good job on campus. I ended up in IT job. Me working at 20,000 salary at the age of 21. What should I do? Continue with my job or go for my MBA? MBA करके at least 12 लाख की जॉब तो थी उस समय की कर रहा हूँ बात. Today if you do your MBA from a good college, you're getting a 20 lakh का package. 5,000 students are going to get a 20 lakh का package. Yeah. 10,000 students are going to get 12 lakh का package and 20,000 students, 15,000 students are going to get a 8 to 9 lakh package. 5,000 students 20 lakh plus, 10,000 students around 12 lakh plus and 15,000 students around 8 to 9 lakh plus salary. मैं 2 लाख कमा रहा हूँ, जो 3 लाख कमा रहा हूँ, मेरे लिए 12 लाख is a huge deal. Either I continue working for the next 5 years and get a 10-12 lakh package or do my MBA from a good college, of course. Now this is average. If you look at the top, now this is some people say कि अरे कितनों का top होने वाला है? 5,000 students. If you cannot be in the 5,000 students, you have no right to put on Quora and blame कि MBA बेकार है, reservation issue, this issue, that issue. 5,000 people, if they can do it, you can also do it. If you could not do it, आपकी गलती भी है. दुनिया तो गलत है ही है. Yeah, everybody is against you, but you are also at fault. Alright, so this is how, so for me, MBA is the main thing here. My life was set by MBA. So for me, I have to be a proponent of MBA because I have always done that. Whoever have helped me, I will respected that guy, that thing. So MBA helped me. I will always respect MBA. All right, all the best.